Welcome to Home of Math. Today's question: what is the least number which is to be subtracted from 4639 so that the difference is a perfect number? To find out the number, we have to know about long division method. Long division method to find out perfect square. Look, here is 4639. 4639. If we find out the perfect square, so first we have to make pair, right? Then this 46, which is the closest perfect square number? So we know this is 36, right? So 6 and here is 36. So once we subtract 46 minus 36, it will be 10, and next pair we will put, so 39. Now we will double of quotient, so 6 times 2, it will be 12. We keep a space to put the value. What we will put? So what is the nearest value? Look, if we put here 7, suppose 1 2 7, so we can times 7. We should use calculator. So 127 times 7, it will become 889. 889. So if we use 8, so what will be the result? Again we can use calculator. 128 times 8, so 1024. 1024, right? 1024. So which is more closer than 1039? So we can use 8. So here is 8. 1024. Now we subtract. So 9 minus 4 is a 5. 3 minus 2 is a 1. Look, this is a remainder, and here is saying what is the least number which is be subtract from 4639 so that the difference is a perfect number. So we can subtract it. So we can subtract it 15 from 4639. So it will become what? Perfect square, right? So look, here is, if here is less than 15, so what is the value? So value is 4639 minus 15, so it will become 4624. Look, 4624. So once we make square root, it will become 68, right? So our result is, answer is what? Answer is 15, right? So thank you. This is important. Don't neglect this kinds of math, because any competitive examination, entrance examination, MCQ test, lots of things, this is the very important math for rational and irrational number chapter or number system chapter or anything else around the world. So don't forget, subscribe the channel, because this channel you will get lots of these types of math, especially perfect square and long division method. Thank you.